So when I'm talking about website tools, I'm referring to the page builders, I'm referring to the theme that your website will be using, referring to the plugins, all the things you're going to add on your website to enable you to work. It needs to be something that is easy to maintain. So you need to also have a schedule where you plan out when to actually maintain your website. That would help you to stay on track and keeping your website functional. And that's why, what Website.com process, website maintenance is part of the conversation I and my team have with our ideal clients, to be able to let them know that your website will be easy to maintain and this is how things would be like. So if you are looking for a website that is going to turn visitors into paying clients and it's going to be easy to maintain, feel free to drop me a message and we will start a conversation on how we can help you to get a functional website that converts.